In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove grid lines in Google Sheets. If you want your spreadsheet to look cleaner, more polished, or better prepared for sharing and presenting, removing grid lines can make a big difference. Google Sheets shows grid lines by default, so it's easier to see each cell, but there may be times when you want a more minimal look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to turn off the default grid lines for the sheet, and then how to adjust specific cells using borders so you can control the appearance more precisely. Start by opening your Google Sheets document. Once your sheet is on screen, go to the top menu and click View. This menu includes several display settings that affect how your spreadsheet looks while you are working in it. After clicking View, hover over Show. A side menu will appear with additional display options. In that list, click Grid Lines to remove the checkmark. As soon as the checkmark disappears, the default grid lines on the sheet will be hidden. This change is helpful if you want a cleaner workspace or if you are preparing the sheet for a screenshot, presentation, or print-style layout. Keep in mind that hiding grid lines changes the visual display, but it does not delete any data or remove cell structure from the spreadsheet. If you only want to modify the look of certain cells, you can take it a step further by adjusting borders manually. Begin by highlighting the specific cells you want to modify. Once those cells are selected, click the borders icon in the top toolbar. It usually looks like a small grid or square and gives you options for applying border styles to your selection. Next, click the border color option and choose white. This is useful when you want the borders to blend in with a white background, making them much less noticeable. After selecting white as the border color, click all borders to apply that white border setting to the selected cells. This method gives you more control over the appearance of certain sections of your spreadsheet, especially if you want some areas to look seamless while keeping the rest of the sheet organized. Just remember that if your cell background is not white, a white border may still stand out. So it works best on a white sheet background. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to hide grid lines in Google Sheets and how to adjust borders for selected cells to create a cleaner, more customized look. Thanks for watching.